4 years ago, a close friend mentioned a book about how the food we eat can impact on our mental well-being. And I have to say, that conversation changed my life. It was soon after learning about the impact of food that I literally chucked out half of the food in my cupboard because I realized that certain food caused inflammation in my brain that would cause my anxiety to seriously spike. If you want to learn more about the anti-anxiety diet, I'll link you to another video we did in the description below. One of the biggest and toughest changes this diet requires is not reducing the amount of refined sugar you eat, but quitting refined sugar entirely. Today I'm going to show you how I did that by making my tasty lemon, honey and ginger gummy lollies. These are anti-anxiety diet friendly, paleo, gluten-free, all natural, and most importantly, refined sugar free. The flavour of these gummies is based on a drink I love to have when I have a sore throat or cough. These gummies are a must-have when you're sick. Because of their lemon, honey and ginger base ingredients, they're great for colds, sore throats and even travel sickness. The best part is they are simple and very quick to make. The ingredients I use to make these are firstly lemon juice, either fresh from a lemon grown in a friend's yard or the pure organic juice that I can get from my supermarket. Then I use gelatin powder from grass-fed cows. You can find this on iHerb. This gelatin powder seems to create chewier lollies without watering down the flavour. Next, I use fresh root ginger stored in the freezer to make it easier to grate, something my mother taught me. Lastly, I have a special raw New Zealand honey, which is actually produced by friends of the family in Marlborough, who both my parents knew while growing up. For years, I struggled with depression and anxiety. I've gotten some amazing therapy, which has really helped me cope, but every now and then, things still felt a little off. I had bouts of intense anxiety and I just didn't know why. When I discovered the anti-anxiety diet, that all changed. Instead of struggling through each day due to crippling anxiety and depression that would often leave me unable to speak or move, I was able to start working again, have a son, and most importantly, I was able to start loving my life for the first time in years. I'd highly recommend this change. It made a huge difference in my life. There was a big issue I had with changing my diet, which may be the reason you have struggled to change the way you eat too. I had an intense craving for sugary treats, packed full of chemicals and refined sugars, things that were not good for my mental health at all. Now, I love gummy lollies especially, and it was these cravings that almost led me to backslide. I finally came up with a solution to this problem when I figured out how to make these all natural and refined sugar-free gummies. With this recipe, I was able to say no to temptation and yes to a happier and healthier life. So if you want something that not only meets your cravings for gummy treats, but can also double as a sickness soother, give these gummies a go. The recipe is in the description. And if you want more videos like this, then hit the thumbs up.